Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of maths, relations and functions. We are covering the topic check your progress 2.2 in this video. So before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like the content and share it with your friends. Let's begin. In the previous video, we have already seen what is a function. If you want to know the definition of a function, please go and check it out there. The previous video of relations and function. You can find the videos from the playlist as well. So the first question is, which of the following relations are functions from A to B? We have to find out which are functions. The question is given like this. Now you are given with some ordered pair here and you are given with a set A and a set B. So let's find out what are in the set A and set B through a diagram. So set A has 1, 3, 4, 8. Set B has -2, 7, -6 and 11. So if this is given to you, let's find out what are the elements related to each other. So in this ordered pair, 1 is related to -2, 3 related to 7, 4 related to -6 and 8 is to 11. So in this case you can see it definitely follows the definition of a function where each element of the domain is related to the element in the second set. The first set is related to all the elements in the second set, and only from this set A to B you have each element related. Okay, so this follows the definition of a function, so we call it as a function. So first question, it is a function. Let's check the second question, B. That is, A set is 1 to 4 and B set is 1, 0, -1, 3 and 10. That is shown here. Now if you see, 1 is related to 0, 1 is related to -1, that is this one, and 2, 3 is the ordered pair, and 4 to 10 is the relation. So if you see here, this element 1 has 2 images, which is not possible. So it is not a function. You can say it is not a function. Okay, let's go on to the third question. C has these two elements that is shown here. Now if you see, A is related to 2, B is related to 3, and C is related to 2 again, and D is related to 3. So this is a type of function that is given here, where you have got each element of the domain or the first set into the second set. You can see repetition is here, but it is not for the set A. So this kind of function or relation is known as function. So this satisfies the condition of a function. Now D has element 1, 2, -3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second set. So these are the sets. So let's see the ordered pair. So 1 is related to 1, 1 is related to 2, then 2 to 3 and -3 to 4. So this is the connection or the relation from the first set to the second. In this case you can see it is not a function because the image of 1 is 2 times here. So that is not possible for a function, not a function. This is not a function. Okay, let's see this E question. E question. So here you can see this is first set, this is second set. So that elements are arranged here in a diagrammatic form. Now 2 is related to 1 by 2, 2 related to 1 by 2, 3 related to 1 by 3, 4 to 1 by 4. Okay, like that you have elements as such. So in this case, if you see, this one is not included in the ordered pair, so that's why it will not satisfy the condition of a function, so it is not a function. For this F question, you can see 1 is related to 1, then minus 1 to 1 again, then 2 to 4, minus 2 to 4. This is the given function or the relation. You have to find out whether it is a function or not. Okay, so in that case, first what you have to do is you have to connect all the elements according to your ordered pair. But the F question, each element is related to, each element in the domain is related to one element in the range. Okay, so that's why this V is also known as a function. Okay, unique elements of X are related to elements in the Y. Hope you understood this question. If you have got doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. Second question, A part is this one. You can see elements in set A and set B is given here. In that case, 3 elements are here. A makes image towards B to X, B makes to Z, and C to Y. So all are different and only one image is available. So this is the function. Next one is A, B, C, D. Here if you see, it follows the definition of a function. Input unique and different and has only one image in B. So A to 1, B to 2, C to 3 and D to 3 again. So here, because of that reason, it is a function. So this is also a function. The third question, that is C, you have this element B with repetitive input. So in that case, this doesn't follow the function definition, so not a function. Next one is this element C doesn't have any image, so this is left out. So that's why this is also not a function. Not a function. This third question, that is, which of the following relation defined from R to R, that is function or functions, okay, from the real numbers to real numbers. If you see, this is the given condition, that is X has some values and Y changes according to that. So let's try X and Y values for these statements. So in the first case, if X is 1, Y will be 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. So Y becomes 3. If X is 2, in that case 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Again 2 into 3, the value will become 7. Okay, this is the case in the first question. So this determines it is a function. For each unique value of X, you have a value in Y. So this is a function. Next question, if you see, it is Y greater than X plus 1. So you are not going to get a unique value. If it is 1, consider this is your table where X and Y values are here. If X is 1, Y is greater than 4. That means it is 5, 6, 7 or something like that. It's not mentioned properly because of this greater symbol. Next one, 2. So it will be 5 greater than 5. That also is not a unique value. Again, if you take 3, it will be 6 greater than 6. So nowhere mentioned a unique value. So you cannot consider this as a function. This is not a function. Same way, if you take the third question, you will get values which are in a limit, but it's not an exact value. Okay, so try to do this question by yourself and comment and try to answer in the comment box. Next question is this one, where you have got values like Y, X and Y, where X takes different values. That is, if you take X value as 1, Y becomes 2. If you take x value as 2, y becomes 5. So you have got exact unique values for each elements from x to y. So this is a function. So hope you understood what makes a given relation as a function. Next question says, write the domain and range for the following functions. So this is a given function, you have to find the domain and range. So for the first question A, the ordered pair is given to you. So domain is root 2, root 5 and root 3. Okay, root 2, square root 2, square root 5 and square root 3. If you take the range, it will be 2, minus 1 and 5. So this is for the A question. Then B, you have got minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Domain and range is 1 by 2. Everywhere it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. C question, you have got 1, 0, 2, minus 1 as the domain, and range would be 1, 0, 2, minus 1. 1, 0, 2, minus 1. Next D question is Deepak Sandeep Rajan is domain and range is 16, 28 and 24. Hope you understood this fourth question. Fifth question, you are given with a diagram of functions. You have to find domain and range in this case. So first question, domain would be 1, 2, 3 and range is 4, 5 and 6. In this case, domain is 1, 2 and 3 and range is 4. 1, 2, 3 and for range it is only 4. Codomain would be 1, 4. Next one, 1, 2, 3 and range is 1, 2, 3 again. For this D question, you will have Gagan, Ram and Sahil set as the domain and 8, 9 and 5 would be the range. Exclude these two because they doesn't have a pair. In this question, A, B, C, D set would be the domain and 2, 4 would be the range. So by this check your progress 2.2 is done from relations and functions chapter. Hope you understood how to find out this domain and range and how to identify a function. If you have got doubts, please do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to find similar videos. Thank you for watching.